Look closely at the engine of everyday commerce. Some of the most resilient investments in commercial real estate aren't found in towering skylines or massive luxury developments. They are built around raw, everyday functionality. For years, institutional capital chased sheer scale. Investment dollars flooded into massive apartment developments across the Sun Belt and expansive single-tenant logistics warehouses. But as millions of new square feet and thousands of residential units hit these markets simultaneously, that momentum stalled. Elevated deliveries created an oversupply that is now actively compressing occupancy rates and suppressing rent growth. The current market normalization is revealing a quiet reality. Long-term stability relies on identifying assets tied directly to absolute operational necessity, rather than speculative momentum. This brings us to a sector that quietly functions as the operational engine of local economies: light industrial real estate. The term describes how a property is used. These are lower-intensity commercial spaces dedicated to warehousing, local order fulfillment, daily contractor operations, and light manufacturing. But the true value lies in a specific subset of this category. Small bay industrial refers strictly to the physical configuration of the building. Multi-tenant structures divided into individual suites that typically range from 2,000 to 25,000 square feet. This highly divisible physical footprint is the source of the asset's resilience. A single building can support a diverse, localized ecosystem of operational businesses under one roof. To understand why these spaces remain consistently occupied, we have to look at the daily reality of the businesses operating inside them. These suites are leased by regional contractors, local service providers, logistics firms, and distributors. For these tenants, the facility functions as a direct revenue generator, housing the specific inventory and equipment their business requires to function. Their survival and daily efficiency rely on their location. They need immediate proximity to local labor pools, established customer bases, and major transportation corridors. Relocating operations is a severe threat to their business model. Moving even a few miles away can disrupt their workforce, sever long-standing customer relationships, and fracture their distribution efficiency. Because daily revenue generation is heavily tethered to the physical location itself, tenant demand becomes incredibly durable. Businesses stay put, preventing transient turnover. That localized demand is currently colliding with a hard physical ceiling on new supply.